Hello, today I will be making a market bag, net bag. I will be using 6mm MonoMey Studio macrame cord. The color is black and I hope you will like it. I have free video tutorial how to make it. Comment below and I will share a direct link how to make it. Crochet this bag with me. It's really easy, fun and fast. I'm starting from the bottom of the bag. It looks like this, like little holes. By the way, I'm using 8mm hook. I can teach you how to crochet. You can crochet this tote bag in just 2 hours. For this bag, you will need MonoMey Studio macrame cord. This is black color. This macrame cord is really easy and fast to make. What do you think of them? Follow my profile to know more crochet tips, how I am crocheting, crochet tutorials, crochet patterns, do it your kits, everything about modern and easy crochet projects.